Another day, another gala, gala ni Petit. Looking for a place within Rizal area na may relaxing ambience, ganito kagandang overlooking, plus roof deck na may jacuzzi where you can experience the perfect bay and sunset view, and more spots to relax and enjoy your stay. So no more gatekeeping. For only 3,999, enjoy your 21 hours of exclusive stay and use of the entire house and its amenities. Perfect for a group up to 8 people. Dito lang yan matatagpuan sa Binangonan, Rizal. Green Ridge Executive Village, Phase 2, Block 46, Lot 4, Palmerston Street, Shera Bayview. So tara and discover what's inside. Pagpasok mo nga, ibubungad sa'yo ang napakalawak nilang parking space. Only parking space to and walang bayad. Next is the garden area. This spot is so peaceful. Masarap nga dito magkape or mag-meditate to start your day right. Next, sakit naman tayo sa second floor. Nandito nga kanilang balcony with lounge area na meron ganitong view and space. Perfect for bonding with your friends or family. And for some extra fun, pwede kayong maglaro dito. As you step inside, you're welcomed by the cozy, clean, and fresh living room. The vibes is truly homey, mga bebs. With minimalist furniture and comfy cinema sofa. Dito pa lang ay mapapawaw ka na talaga. Ang sarap nga din magtambay dito sa living room nila kasi napaka-aliwala. Isa sa mga highlight ko nga dito itong cinema sofa nila kasi feeling ko talaga nasa sinehan ako habang nakikipagkwentuhan. At nanonood dito sa 55-inch smart TV nila with free Netflix and Disney Plus access. More fun pa kasi meron silang board and card games dito. And dito pa rin sa baba, matatagpuan ang kanilang dining area and kitchen. Ayan mga beb, meron silang 6-seater table set dito. Tapos dito naman sa may kitchen, use of utensils and kitchenwares. May rice cooker na dyan, microwave, and gas stove. Pwede kayo magluto dito. Meron man kayo nakalimutan, meron silang mini store dito to buy your essentials. At diba, concerned si owner sa'yo. Tapos may pa-ref na din dito and water dispenser. Next, dito naman tayo sa mga room. Meron silang 2 room na bunk beds, fully air conditioned, and yung isa merong balcony view. These rooms can fit up to 8 people. And if you need extra mattresses, they got you covered. And may mga cabinet na din dyan for your stuff. Naman tayo sa second floor. And dito matatagpuan natin yung kanilang master's bedroom. May king size bed na dyan, extra mattresses, and extra fun. Fully air conditioned na rin with working table and smart TV with Netflix and Disney Plus access. Good for 2 to 4 packs naman dito. Ang sarap nga matulog dito mga beb and ganito siya kalawak. Tapos may extra room dito for dressing room and papuntang bathroom, bring your own toiletries. Tapos may pa-mini balcony dito sa likod. And for the best part ng bahay, nandito na tayo sa roof deck. So ito na nga yun mga beb, may kita mo yung 180-degree view ng Laguna de Bay and mga kabundukan. And there's more mga beb. Ito yung pinaka-highlight talaga dito. May pa-jacuzzi nga sila dito. O, diba? Perfect. Ito na talaga yun eh. Ito na talaga yung spot na pinakamagandang magtambay and mag-relax. Talaga namang giving tong jacuzzi nila na may pa-bubble bath pa. Imagine yourself na nandito ka tapos may ganitong view tapos ganito ka relaxing. O diba? This is the perfect spot to relax and unwind. Tapos habang dumidilim na, ganito naman yung sunset view and medyo malamig na rin yung hangin. Perfect nga to kapag mag-celebrate kayo ng monthsary, anniversary, or birthday. At kahit nga magdamag kang nakatambay dito sa jacuzzi, hindi ka lalamigin kasi adjustable naman yung temperature. Good for 8-seater. Tapos, ayan, meron siyang magagandang RGB light. What's cool about it is pwede mo i-connect yung phone mo and then voila, may music ka na dito sa jacuzzi. This rooftop isn't just for solo moments. It's perfect for a group hangout. It's a good start of staycation experience this 2025. Dito sa Rizal, kaya naman, visit Shera Bayview official Facebook page for more details or inquiries. You can also book to Airbnb or booking.com. Happy staycation and thank you for watching!